Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I know we're not going to see a lot of each other in person because it's an online class, but I wanted to make this short video and introduce myself, kind of introduce you to how the class is going to run and what can you expect of me, what we can expect from each other, those kind of things. First of all, my name is Stephen Reese. I've been teaching adjunct math at Chandler Gilbert for about 3 years now. I'm also a PhD candidate at Arizona State University. Even though I've only been at Chandler Gilbert for a few years, I've been teaching calculus in some form or another for the last 10 years. So it's something I really enjoy teaching, something I have a lot of experience with. Um, I will probably stress this early and often, but um, my first job for this class is to, or for any class for that matter, is to make it a safe and welcoming experience for all of you. So please don't hesitate at all if you think there's anything that I can do to kind of support you. And when I say support you, I mean academically, personally. Um, if you need more time on something, I will almost always give you those opportunities. If you need help with stuff, I can definitely find a time to meet with you, things like that. Um, but in short, if you need me, find me. You can find me over email, but it seems like what most people do is use the inbox on Canvas. So please make use of that, and yeah, just set up with whatever you need. So a little bit about this class. So this is Calculus 1 with analytic geometry, Math 221, um, which I will navigate into now. And I'll put the student view so it looks the way that you'll see it. But when you're able to look at Canvas, you're going to see that there's not a ton here so far, and that's very much by design. I am going to add content as the semester goes on. I didn't want to overwhelm you with the entire class's modules all at once, so I'll kind of, a couple of times a week, I'll release more stuff to you. And on a biweekly basis, like every 3 or 4 days or so, there will be things due. So one thing I want to draw your attention to is this module 0, getting started. And what's in there is basically this video, some information that had access to textbook, which you will not be purchasing. It is online. It is free to you. A couple of quizzes to kind of give you a sense of, or to basically make sure that you're aware of what kind of things are expected of you in the class, how you're going to be graded, those kinds of things. And this getting acquainted, calling it a quiz is kind of a weird thing because it's really you get full credit for completing it, but just a few questions for me to kind of figure out who you are, what motivates you, and what kinds of things that I can do to support you. If there are things you want to know about me, things you think I should know about you, that's going to be your first of many opportunities to kind of weigh in. And also our discussion question, which basically allows us to kind of get to know each other a little bit. So it's an online class. We're not really going to be in the same room at the same time at any point. But as much as possible, I would like to make this a learning community. So we will have groups in Canvas, and I'm not sure how much group like projects and assignments we'll do, but I do want to get you all in the habit of talking to each other because I think of the most effective learning is not going to come from me telling you things. It's not going to come from you and I interacting. It's going to come from you interacting with each other and with the math we talk about. So I will be giving you lots of opportunities to do that. A couple other things to look at on here. Really, the first module is about us getting acquainted with each other and with the class. Very much by design. We got plenty of time to get into all the math um, and start talking about the content, the things that you're actually going to be graded on and assessed on, things like that. But I really wanted to have these first couple of days be a soft landing where we're kind of just getting the feel of things. It's an online class and just your first journey into calculus. I think it's a good place to start. So thank you again for watching. I look forward very much to getting to know all of you. And I've said it before, I'll say it again. You'll hear me say it lots and lots of times this summer. But if you need anything at all, please reach out to me. Email addresses in the syllabus. You can also find me on Canvas inbox. But anything you need, reach out, and I will either do whatever I can to help you, or I will find the resources to get you support. So thank you for being part of this class, and yeah, I look forward to working with y'all.